Hello guys, we met again, and this time around I'm gonna share how to do it yourself, transforming this dirty dark fish aquarium or aquarium tank into a crystal clear view with a beautiful fish inside. So this is how it looks before I clean up the aquarium tank. And first of all, I'm going to remove the water. I'm transferring the water into a container which is gonna fit all my fish for a while, and then I transfer all the fish into the container. Why I use the water from the aquarium is because some people say every time you change the water you need to keep about 10% of the original one, because there's a good bacteria needed by the fish to help them surviving. But in my case, I'm gonna replace all the water into a new one, you know what I mean, right? And then laju sangat pula. Don't forget to transfer the oxygen into the temporary container that you put your fish, and then keluarkanlah semua benda tu. You see all the dirt stuck in the filter. And next I'm gonna remove this black sand, which is the main cause why the water inside my tank is getting darker. I'm using this before because I have a small fish and I decorate the aquarium with a small plant. But since now I have a new beautiful fish in line, so this one is not gonna help me to maintain the water look as a crystal clear. So this is the look before I have a big fish in line. So beautiful, right? Next, I'm using this sponge to clean up the aquarium. So make sure you wash it well, and once you're done, put back and fill up the aquarium with water up to the maximum level of your aquarium, and it depends on how big is your aquarium. Put back the filter, and I'm adding extra sponge as the filter, you see, and then switch on the plug. I'm using the tension gun as the water conditioner. Check well before use. This helps to remove the chlorine and chloramine and neutralize the ammonia. And I'm using the cup provider and put a little, and you should use it depending on your aquarium size. And then switch on back the oxygen inside the aquarium. For me, I'll wait like half an hour before I put back the fish into the tank. And once done, transfer back all the fish inside the new aquarium tank. And ta-da! So this is how it look after I clean up my aquarium tank. So beautiful, right? It looks better now. And next I'm using this, I don't know what they call it, but I pour it into my aquarium, and it should treat disease such as cotton wool disease, fungus, rag fin root, and mouth rot. In other words, it should keep your fish stay healthy. And that's all from me. Usually you don't need to remove all the water if you wash the sponge filter frequently, so that the water will still remain clean. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Have a nice day till we meet again.